This part we're going to have a look of all the functions and features within the warehouse system. Warehouse system is a system similar with the main system. You also get the drop downs menu and the icons at the top. Three areas of the system we will have a look. The first one is the stock, anything to do with the stock control. The first thing is the stock in. This is where you key in after you purchased items from supplier, and then we will go to barcodes. You will generate barcodes, and we will do the printout, and then we do the transfer. There are some reports for the warehouse, like safety level check. We will go into that. And the last thing is the backup. Okay, the first thing we would look at is the stock in. As soon as we click on the purchase plus purchase, we got this screen. The first field is stock number and purchase number, which is automatically generated by the system, but we still can change it. The docket number is gonna be part of the barcode, and we would have a look. Say the docket number is a necessary field. We need to put something in. Normally it's just two characters, or you can put numbers. But however, you cannot have duplicate. You cannot have the same docket number for the same day. For example, if I put AA, and it would pop out with a error message and said duplicate docket number found. So we need to choose something else. In this case, we put CC, and then we need to choose a supplier that we purchase from, and we can put some notes here. The payment due day is the day that we it's just a reminder day for the payment to pay to the supplier. We can leave it blank if you like, and then we move the next part. This area is where you key in the items that we purchased. In this case, we're gonna use 5 and just put number 5 as a quantity and cost 5. As soon as we click on OK, this basic information will be saved, and you would update the quantity in the current database, and then generate barcode series here. The barcode would contains a docket number CC in the middle. Let's have a look. Okay, and the barcode format is 13, which is the year, 07, that's months, 17, which is the date, CC, okay, and 001, 002, and such. Okay, that's how we create a purchase order. Then if we like to generate, we like to print out the barcodes, and we simply go to stock, barcodes, click on it, do a search, and today's entries, and you can find the CC. There are 5. Yeah, definitely there are more, because we have there are more we have done before. Okay, so all this will be ready for you to convert to a serial number, and once we can click on convert, we can print out from here. But this part is still under constructions, but it's how it looks like. We will fix this part later on. And then after we have the barcodes, we are able to transfer the stock. Say we are transferring from warehouse to open, and we simply just scan the code here, and it will come out with a minus number, a negative number, and here will become a positive number. After we have done that, we click on OK, and that's the transfer. Okay, for the reports, a safety level check. This is safety level. If I put 25, any sharp it's smaller than this number will come out from here, so that we can control whether the stock whether the shop has got enough stock for sale. And we have another report which is some suspicious. Any number with a negative. For example, 001 is negative -3, and that means this item could be, sold via refund. But however, the open forgot to do a transfer from open to refund. This is only for reference only, but this is an easy way to check out the correct stock quantity. And then we have products sold by supplier. We can check the supplier within this period of time, and how many items from this supply has been sold. And also we can look at the product sales. This is it's only the way to check the product quantity being sold within this period of time. For the backup, because the quantity for each store it's dynamic, it's changed all the time. If I like to keep a record for, say, today, and I simply click on backup, and it will copy all those values into a temporary folder, and if we and we can check later on. If I do backup every day, and all these numbers will be saved in the database, so that we can double check in the future. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna finish this part, and we will talk about invoice later on.